Okay, so the first thing you want to do with this one is find the proportion for the sample that she took. So it's 105 divided by 250, which is equal to 0.42. Um, so we go to stat. This is a proportion. One sample with summary. The number, well, I guess you don't have to find it with this. We have 24. I'm sorry. We have 105 out of 250. And the hypothesis test is as you have for 5% and that it's less than, and then compute that and your p-values here, and then stat proportion, one sample with summary, 105, 250. Here, since the alpha is 0.01, the confidence interval is 0.99. Compute, and here you get your upper and lower limit.